130 miles per hour. Got a good kick for a small baby. Lightweight, fast charging. So what's in the box? We got this 2-piece. We got a charger. It comes with 1 battery. Here you could rotate this. You squeeze this 2 right here. You push this and it could rotate. Not too light and it's not too heavy. It's like medium. Wow. Very good, nice rubber coat right here with a red handle. You gotta test the battery out. Oh, we got full charge. That's really cool. But look, it's a nice little mini leaf blower. Let's see. Whoa, packed with a punch. All right, so we put it on the extended piece part. Now this is what I'm talking about right here. This gets all the way to the ground. Look at that. Literally getting everything out of here. So, all right, so I've been cleaning up all over with this thing. I love it. I love how this part here curve up, so it's blowing the leaf and the branches upward, out and upward. Do right here. Literally blowing everything out fast. Look at that. Can't go wrong. It's a really good leaf blower for its size as a mini leaf blower, and for the price you cannot go wrong. It does a good job. Do I recommend this for a big property? Of course not. Small area like back patio, front patio, a little garden and a little walkway and driveway and stuff, it will work perfectly. Not recommended for obviously for a big space. A small space, thumbs up. Check in the description box for price and detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos on Product Zone. This is a good leaf blower mini